When I first drove through the gates, I felt like this will be a project for the rest of my life. It was like a blank canvas. My caravan, my cottage are in front of a forest, which is beautiful and peaceful. There's also lots of little sheds scattered around, one of which I've turned into a tiki bar. Then I have my tram. Its name is Jean-Claude Van Tram. It's 91 years old. This place kind of feels like a bit of a muse, and wherever I look there's something for me to do, and I'm always having fun here. I like waking up and feeling like I want to go outside because there's a project to do. When I was a kid I wanted to be like Patrick Swayze in Dirty Dancing. It felt as though he was just living an eternal holiday, but I can't dance like he can. This place, for the first time in my life, feels like home. All of the outside pressure kind of just disappears and I can just be, myself. It's my happy place.